All right. Good morning. It's morning time here. Again, thanks so much for being part of the newsletter. I love doing these little behind the scenes here. Right now, I am working on my fourth module for the podcasting for mental health professionals workshop that I'm doing in collaboration with Somatic Experiencing Institute. So that was a collaboration. They invited me to do this workshop with them. So today I have the fourth module. I'm just getting prepped for that. These folks are awesome. They've been awesome and I've been really enjoying doing that. And I love doing this workshop. What else has been going on? Snowy here in Bend. I moved to Bend about 4 or 5 months ago from Oakland, California, just in time for the wildfires, which were crazy. Yeah, so really excited to get the new newsletter out, and of course, by the time you see this, you'll have the newsletter. But just really excited about having Adina Bank-Lees as the cover story. She's awesome and really inspiring to me, and I think if you don't know her, you'll really enjoy her. Also, the podcast has been going really well. Just getting a lot of people interested in coming on. Just interestingly enough, I had a company reach out to me, and they're a big behavioral health company, but they have these different businesses that are testing for grad students. And it's kind of funny because I took a few of their tests, and did not do well in them. And now I might be collaborating with them, kind of in a win-win situation to help them out. And they're going to help me out, promote the Trauma Therapist Project and all. But that's been interesting. But other than that, doing pretty well, just trying to get out. I'm at home a lot with the kids. My wife's working most out of the house. She's a veterinarian, but doing pretty well. And is trying to keep healthy and positive like I'm sure everyone else is. So anyway, just a little snippet about what's going on here. If you have any questions, reach out. Any ideas about maybe who you'd like to see featured, for the cover. I like calling it the cover. I think that's pretty cool. Like Adina this month. Let me know. And awesome. All right. Have an awesome day. Take care.